Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by creating a clean Python environment for the project. Use Python 3, 8, or newer to ensure library compatibility. Create a virtual environment using Python mvenv and activate it. Install the QR libraries with pip, install QR code pill and pillow to enable image handling. Verify the installation using pip show QR code and pip show pillow. Keep dependencies isolated to avoid version conflicts during development and deployment. Open a new Python file and import QR code and QR code. Constants for constants. Create a QR code object with version equals 1, box size equals 10, border equals 4, and error correction equals QR code. Constants, error correct Q, call QR. Add data with the URL or text you want to encode and then call QR. Make fit equals true to build the matrix. Generate an image with img equals QR. Make image, fill color equals black, back color equals white. Save the result with im. To add a logo, open the saved PNG with pillow and resize the logo to 1/4 of the QR size. Paste the logo centered and save as a new PNG to preserve scannability. For crisp vectors, use Segno to export SVG files that scale without quality loss. Customize colors using fill color and back color when generating images. When creating many codes, loop over inputs and save files like code 01, PNG, code 02, PNG to automate batch generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.